Bullish permanent X, IMX, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.29 and $7.17 by 2030. Market investigators accept IMX could reach $3.29 by 2025. Bearish unchanging X market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.585703. Unchanging X, IMX, presentation digital forms of money are immersing the overall market. Every broker is making strategies to overwhelm the economy and arrive at the drawn-out greatest price tag. Putting resources into computerized coins yields a decent profit from capital for business visionaries. Investigating digital money values, for example, unchanging X's greatest inventory, normal worth, least cost esteem, most extreme cost level, normal exchanging cost, and current and potential worth is direct while utilizing data diagrams. Prior to financial planning, one should be learned about market capitalization, normal estimate cost, cost figure FAQs, and so on. A standard specialized in principal examination structure decides the permanent X cost forecast. Utilize the verifiable information from a computerized gauge framework to recognize flat bullish and negative levels, and execute signs to exhibit similarity. What is changeless X, IMX? The permanent X digital money permits the movement of the exchanging and mining organization to work on the business. Changeless X is the main overall NFT economy with a mission to make a truly computerized world. It wishes to grow the scope of chances for what people and gatherings in the virtual climate can create and trade utilizing the unchanging X NFT innovation. Because of this open, decentralized climate, clients can trade non-fungible tokens, NFTs, with no fuel costs and without jeopardizing the security of their records or resources. Upgraded versatility is one more advantage of the permanent X. Members can likewise produce carbon impartial NFTs. The drive plans to deliver a top-notch client and developer climate. The framework's capacity for convention dependability empowers the improvement of NFT stages on the foundation, permitting the outside or local area and unchanging X's worldwide market to cover. The venture looks to lessen the edge for autonomous experts and NFT producers. How you can manage IMX. Exchange expenses. In IMX, each changeless X agreement includes the installment of convention costs. Permanent will change the charge in the event that you don't as of now hold IMX by getting IMX on the public business sectors, keeping a perfect client experience. Marking. The IMX costs are moved to the stake impetuses pool. When anybody meets the capabilities, they are allowed an opportunity to procure prizes from this asset by valuing their IMX coins. Administration. Clients have casting a ballot rights utilizing IMX. The framework's future development and extension will be the subject of suggestions that will be posted on Preview. Procure IMX prizes. During each marking period, speakers can acquire IMX by trading a solitary NFT. Your portion of the IMX digital money motivators will be applied to your record after the cycle. Permanent X, IMX, value forecast. Permanent X is at present worth $0.732129. IMX has moved 0.03% as of now with an exchanging volume of $22,842,664. Permanent X is at present positioned 144 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $172,258,266. Permanent X, IMX, value forecast 2022. Permanent X, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. IMX. The IMX cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.10. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.02 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. IMX is supposed to have a base worth of $0.878555. Unchanging X, IMX, value expectation 2023. In 2023, Unchanging IMX cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of IMX will before long outperform $1.83. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the IMX's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, IMX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.46 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.61. Permanent X, IMX, Value Expectation 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.56 and IMX might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. IMX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.34 and a low of $2.20 in 2024. Permanent X, IMX, Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Unchanging X effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the IMX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, IMX will be green in 2025. The IMX is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $3.29, with a base cost of $2.93 and a typical cost of $3.07. Permanent X, IMX, Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the IMX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.81 by 2026, with a base cost of $3.66 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, IMX has a most extreme value worth of $4.03. Permanent X, IMX, Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.54. In the event that IMX figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $4.76. Neglecting to accumulate the help IMX needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $4.39. Unchanging X, IMX, Value Expectation 2028. While IMX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $5.12 and a year